After setting up HPA service in my.hyper-ict.com, you'll need to add users to the portal. This will allow them to access and utilize its features. The process for adding users is straightforward and involves the following steps. It's important to first select the plan of service that best suits your needs and business requirements. To access the user management section of the HPA portal, find the option that says Users. Click on the Users option to open the user management page. To invite new users to join your HPA portal, you need to click on the Invite Users option. To add a new user to your HPA portal, you need to provide their name, last name, and email address. Then, enter the user's registered email address. Ensure that the email address is accurate and functional, as it will be used to send login credentials and notifications. This will create the user account and send an invitation email to the user's specified email address. The email will contain a link that the user can click on to set their password and activate their account.